We're going to look at how we work with Pascal's triangle to do expansions. Now, what Pascal's triangle is a triangle where you have the outer sides being a 1, and then the middle numbers will be the sum of the two numbers. So, put the two ones here. We have a 1, and then another 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so that becomes a 2. Then we have a 1 here, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. And you can keep going with this, where you're putting the numbers down, so it's 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, etc., etc. Now, how is this all related? Well, these are the coefficients in front of the numbers. So for the very top, that's a plus b to the power 0, so that's equal to a 1. The second one, we have 1 and a 1, so when it's to the power 1, it's 1a plus 1b. Second one, quadratic, you have 1, 2, 1. So that's a plus b squared, which we already know, because it's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The coefficients in front are 1, 2, and 1. And you can do the same for the cubic one, which you can see there. So what does that mean? When we're expanding these, we just need to know what part of a triangle we're up to. So I'll just quickly put the triangle up the top here. All right, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is to the power of 3, so we're going to use the fourth line. So we know it's 1, 3, 3, and 1. Then all we need to do now is put the powers down. So the first one will always have the highest power of this first term, which is x. We have x cubed, then x squared, then x, then x to the power 0 is a 1. Then we do the same thing from the other side. So then we have 2 cubed, 2 squared, 2, and then no power in the front. Then all you have to do from here is to simplify it. So it's x cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. Same with the next one. We have 1, 3, 3, and 1. Then 2x all cubed, 2x squared, 2x, and then no terms of 2x. Then the last one you have negative 1 cubed, negative 1 squared, negative 1, and then no term. So you always list the powers from high to low, depending which side they're on. If on the left side, you start from the left. If from the right, you start from the right. Anyway, you then go through and simplify it. So we have 8x cubed minus, what's that, 3, 4, so 12x squared plus, because the middle one's a negative. The next one is negative 1 all squared, which is positive. So then we have 3 times 2, which is 6x plus, minus 1. All right, now the next one is to the power of 4. So that's 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Then same thing, x to the power 4, x to the power 3, x to the power 2, x to the power 1, and then x to the power 0 is also 1. Other side, negative 3 to the power 4, negative 3 to the power 3, negative 3 squared, negative 3, and then no negative 3 term. Then just simply list out your powers, list out your numbers. 9, 6, 54, 27 times 4, 104. I think. Yes, 104. Then 3 to the power 4 is 81.